Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, and in this video we are going to learn the possessive adjective part 3. Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Prem or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And in this video, we are going to talk about the possessive adjective, but this video is the third part of the possessive adjective series. So if you have not watched the first and the second part of the video, I'm dropping the link in the card above. Just watch those videos first and then come back here again. So now I'm going to provide you a little recapitulation of what we did in the first and the second video, and then we are going to learn something new. So first, what are the possessive adjectives? Possessive adjectives are the adjectives which show you the possession of something. Let's say if I want to say your camera or your fan or his clock or their room. So what are the adjectives which are showing you the possession? My, your, his, her. These are the words which are showing you the possession, and these are known as the possessive adjectives. So in English, you just have one way of saying my, your, his, her, its, your, their. However, in French, you have three different ways of saying my or your or his or her. So for that, I'm explaining you the table first. We'll look at the table and then we are going to learn something new. Now, first, my. You have three different ways of saying my, that is mon, ma, me. The meaning of all three of them is my. That is dependent upon, the table is divided into three columns: masculin singulier, féminin singulier, pluriel. Masculin singulier, féminin singulier et pluriel. So, mon, ma, me. The meaning of all three of them, my. Ton, ta, te. Ton, ta, te. The meaning of all three of them, your. Son, sa, c'est. Now I'm explaining you again that the meaning of son, sa, c'est, all three of them can be his, her or its. Son can be his, her or its. Sa can be his, her or its. Sa can be his, her or its. Notre, notre, non. The meaning of all three of them is our. Votre, votre, vos. The meaning of all three of them is your. Leur, leur, leur. The meaning of all three of them, their. And even in the feminine case, it is going to be leur, leur and leur. Attention, do not pronounce it as leurs. Leur, leur et leur. Now, if I say in English, my house, or let's say my room, the word my, the possessive adjective my, is not dependent upon the object you're talking about. My room, my dog, my clock, my chair. Or let's say if something is plural also, my rooms, my houses, my pens, my tables. So my remains always static. There's no difference, yeah? Because that is not dependent upon the object. However, in French, it is dependent upon the object you're talking about, yeah? So if you say my dog, you have three different ways of saying that. Mon, ma and me. So that would be dependent upon dog. Or if something is plural, let's say my houses. Okay, so my would be dependent upon houses, and that's plural. So in this video, in the third part of the video, we are going to talk about the plural nouns. And first, let's talk about this side of the table. So repeat after me, yeah? Me, te, c'est, nos, vos, leur, leur. Mais, tes, c'est, nos, vos, leur. Mais, tes, ses, nos, vos, leurs. Doesn't it sound like a song? Mais, tes, ses, nos, vos, leurs. Mais, tes, ses, nos, vos, leurs. You have to learn this table by heart. Now, here I have written few examples in order to explain you better. My spectacles are red. My spectacles. So for spectacles, you say lunette. Lunette. That's always plural because they always exist in pair. So lunettes sont rouges. If you want to say my spectacles. So see, in case of plural, it really doesn't matter that it is feminine or masculine. By that, I'm not saying that the word lunette is not masculine or feminine. Of course, that's feminine, but that doesn't matter. In that case, if it is plural, even if it is masculine or feminine, in both the cases, you're going to apply mais. If it is singular, yes, it matters because the table for masculine singular, it was different. The table for feminine singular was different, but the table for plural, it was same. So if it is plural, you do not have to care whether it is masculine or feminine. Yeah. So now you want to say my spectacles are red. So for my, you had three options: mon, ma, mais. The word lunette, spectacles, that's plural. So you apply all the rules of the plural column. So you say mes lunettes sont rouges. Your spectacles are red. Tes lunettes. Tes lunettes sont rouges. His spectacles are red. Ses, très bien. Ses lunettes, because for saying his, three different ways, son, sa and ses. But the word lunette, that's plural, so you apply all the rules of the third column. You say his spectacles, ses lunettes sont rouges. Now if you want to say her spectacles are red, so for her as well you have son, sa and ses. Dependent upon the word which is next to the dash, you have lunette, that's plural. So you say ses lunettes sont rouges. So if you say ses lunettes, that means his spectacles, but that can also mean her spectacles. So mes lunettes, tes lunettes, ses lunettes. Let's say if I want to say our spectacles, it would be notre, nos. Lunettes, c'est pluriel, alors nos lunettes. N-O-S, très bien. Nos lunettes. Your spectacles, as in the formal one, I would say vos lunettes. And if I want to say their spectacles, that would be leurs. Leurs lunettes. Leurs. Do not say it as leurs. It's not leurs. Leurs lunettes. Few more examples to explain you the concept better. Now, if I want to say my socks are blue. My socks. For socks, you say chaussettes. My chaussettes sont bleues. Okay. Now, my socks. Three different ways. Mon, ma, mes. Dependent upon the word which is next to the dash. That's chaussette. Is that singular or is that plural? Of course, that's plural because that's chaussette. Ending with an S. And of course, that's socks. So, we'll forget the column of masculine singular. We'll forget the column of feminine singular. We'll move to plural. So, for plural, you had mon, ma, mes. You had mes. Très bien. So, you say mes chaussettes sont bleues. However, if you want to say your socks are blue. Again, three ways. Ton, ta, tes. Plural. You have tes chaussettes. Très bien. You want to say his socks. Ses chaussettes. You want to say her socks. Again, ses chaussettes because his or her, they are both same. Our socks. Nos chaussettes. Nos chaussettes. Your socks, as in the formal one, I would say vos chaussettes. And if I want to say their socks, that would be leur avec S because chaussette, that is plural. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and for daily updates and reminders, do not forget to hit the bell icon. And I'll see you very soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.